This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so echo is for display message. That is very simple one. And along with this echo, some coding mechanisms are there so that we can display in single line, multiple lines as per our choice. We can do that. Now, quoting mechanism, if you are doing, then what is quote? One quote is single quote, another quote is double quote, and another quote is tick symbol. We can tell these ones. These are different types of quote. And first one is without any quote. This one, no quote. So no quote already we did now. These are without using any quote. Now with using quote we can do these three types of quotes. Echo we are learning Unix. Double quote you can give. Double quote you can give. We are learning Unix. So here also same thing it is displaying. Here also same thing it is displaying. What is the difference then? Now we can split this into two lines. Echo we are learning, then enter. Then again we can type this. Any number of lines we can type here, because this double quote is started, so it will expect where it is ending. Now it is not ended, so it will continue. Again it is expecting. So here one symbol you are getting, greater than. This greater than symbol, what is this? This is called as secondary prompt. So whenever we are displaying any prompt after logging, this is called as command prompt. Don't tell dollar prompt. Many people are telling it as a dollar prompt, because in most of the operating system, to make it identical, dollar is defined. So instead of dollar, we can give any name. Your name also you can give, Rahul or Tiger or chair or table or can or duster, anything we can give in place of this. So if that is coming duster, then can you tell it as a duster prompt? No. That's why dollar prompt don't tell. Many people are telling dollar prompt, because dollar is displaying and then think that everywhere dollar only compulsory. It is not compulsory. Since it is configured with dollar, that's why it is coming as dollar prompt. Okay, so this is called as primary prompt or command prompt. You can tell. First time whenever you are logging, it will come to one prompt. This is called as a primary prompt. Whenever you are typing something and another prompt it is displaying to expect some input from users, then that is called as a secondary prompt. This is secondary prompt. Secondary prompt. So secondary prompt is coming means Unix operating system is expecting some input from the user. We have not completed here. Again, if you will enter, again it is expecting. Type something. Now double quote we can give. Double quote we started, double quote we ended. Now operating system will understand that okay, you completed whatever you are typing. Okay, so here how it will display, how many lines we entered, same manner it will display the message. We are learning Unix OS and shell program, FMG, all those. So this is the benefit or use of this quote, double quote. So without using any quote, we can write anything. It will display the message, but one liner. If multiple line we want, then that will not support. So multiple line we want, then we need this quoting mechanism, either single quote or double quote. Okay, now again we can try for this single quote. Same thing is displaying. If one line, then everything is same. Single quote, double quote, without quote, anything is same. If multiple line, then only you will get the difference. Now we can try for the multiple line. We are learning here also same secondary prompt it is asking. So echo, after that we started single quote. We have not ended single quote, so it is expecting we are not completed. Again we are going to type something. Again enter, again secondary prompt. Now we can type something, Unix operating system and shell script. Now we can end this, suppose enter, completed. So we are learning in one line, it is displaying in one line. Then Unix OS, shell script and shell script and shell script. So in which manner we have written the line sentence, in the same manner it will display in the output also. Okay, so this is the use of single quote and double quote. Now another thing we can observe here in this single quote and double quote. Echo Okay, so Rahul salary is Rs 90,000 rupees per month. It is displaying same thing. Now we can give here without double quote. Same. Now we can give with single quote. Same. Since all these are one liner, so it is displaying same only. So we will not go to multiple line. Already we discussed multiple line, single quote, double quote. If you use, then it will allow for multiple line. Now we can little bit change here. In place of RS, dollar we can give. Rahul went to USA. Now he started earning in dollar. So Rahul's salary is $90,000 per month. Double quote. 0. Now single quote or without any quote. 0, 0, 0, 0. Now single quote we can give. $90,000. So here some symbols are there like dollar, different meaning, specific meaning. So wherever any specific meaning will come, in that case, without double quote and with double quote will not consider the specific meaning. It will not understand, but single quote will understand. Single quote if you are giving, then whatever you are typing inside this single quote, it can be any symbol, any specific meaning, any variable, whatever you can give, 100% exactly it will display the same message. And without single quote, double quote, or without double quote, if you are using without any quote, then it will display same message, but whenever any specific meaning is coming like dollar or at the rate or anything, in that case it will divert the meaning, it will change the meaning. So that part it will ignore, it will not able to display. So 100% actual thing you are going to display, then always preferable is single quote. If any dollar or any other symbol is there, and only character is there, no other symbol, no specific meaning, then that is your choice. Single quote, double quote, without quote, anything is fine. Same result you will get. Multiple lines, then single quote or double quote, any one. Without quote, it will not work for multiple lines. Okay, now any other chances or any other things are there with double quote also we can display the same. Yes, with double quote or without any quote also, if we want to display this symbol as well, this meaning without changing anything, without ignore anything, then backslash you can give, so that it will ignore the special meaning. Now it will consider this $9, all those as one character. It will not take any specific meaning. Now enter. It is coming $90,000. Similarly, don't give any quote. Now execute. $90,000 it is coming. Okay, so this is called as escape mechanism. If any special meaning is there, then in UNIX shell script we can ignore that also. How? Just keep before that symbol backslash, not forward slash, backslash. Then that special meaning it will suppress. So this is called as the escape mechanism. So along with echo, these are correlated. Is escape mechanism as well as single quote, double quote, and another quote, correlated. So another quote is tick. This is called as tick or garb accent symbol. Or some are telling it as a tick symbol. So where it is present, below to escape in your keyboard, you can see one symbol is there. One is tiled symbol, another is tick symbol. That is this symbol. 2 times if you will give, then it will display. Okay, now I'm asking one question. You can tell echo tiger, what it will display.
Display tiger.
Yes. So echo anything you can give, it will display that chair. It will display chair. Echo your name, suppose Sai. It will display Sai. Now we can do one thing. Echo date. Can you tell what it will display?
Date. Date. DAT.
DAT it will display, or current date it will display. Date is a command also. Yes,
Current
we
date.
discussed.
Date. Current date.
DAT it will display. After echo, anything you can give, that only it will display. Tiger, chair, your name, then lion, anything you can give, straightforward, that only it will display. No other thing. Now, after echo, if you are writing something, and that is again a Unix command, that command output we want to display. We don't want to display this spelling. We want to display this command output. This is a command, and this command output we want to display. So in that case, what to do? Before this command and after this command, or that command, we can write in this tick symbol. Now it will display output update command. Echo is for display and date is for command output. So along with echo, if you are writing, then this command output will get like DAT. Okay, so now maybe you can think that direct DAT we can give. Why we can go for echo? Okay, echo is used for displaying the message. Suppose you are writing like this: echo current date is. This is one message. Current date is. After that, this date related we want to display. So in that case, what to do? Current date is this date details it is coming. Otherwise, only date you are giving command name, then date only it is coming. This message will not come, current date. So some message along with that command output we need, then this is the useful. Any type of message. I am working somewhere, or my office time is this. It is not only for date, any command, pwd also, echo, pwd, present working directory, echo cat, echo uname. Okay, cat is a command to create a file. That's why again it is asking something. Okay, so cal command we can give, direct command, cal command, it is displaying that message. So as a message it will consider and it will display that output of that command. Okay, so direct command if you are using in command prompt, then better you can go for command only. But along with that command output, some message you are going to display, then we can use along with echo, like echo pwd. So here we can give echo my current directory is, then pwd. So message is coming, my current directory is this one. Okay, so this is the use of echo command. Some sound coming, Rahul. You can mute. Okay, so this is clear, echo command with this quoting mechanism and escape mechanism. Okay, so here double echo we are giving, same line. This is one command, this is another command. So combinedly if you are writing, then that is called as compound command. So this output it will display first, and we have given semicolon means it will terminate here. Now operating system Unix will understand that this is another command you are writing a script. Now enter. My current displayed in one line, another echo statement, another line it is displayed. Now both echo statement we want to merge and we want to display in same line. Okay, minus n we have to give. So minus n parameter if you are giving in echo, then this echo statement will merge with next echo statement. Okay, so this echo statement is not merging with another echo statement. That's why no need of minus n here. If another echo statement is there after this and we are merging that, then again minus n we have to give, so that it will combine and display. So here my current directory is, after current space is not there, it is getting confused. So we can give one thing, my current, after that one space we can give. So my current, after that space if you will give, then it will not consider here. So if we want to consider the space also one character, then either double quote or single quote, anyone you have to use. Only simply message related we are giving for space, it will not consider. So if space also we need to consider, then within single quote or double quote we can mention. Now you can see my current space directory. So similarly, echo any message we can give. Hi. After that, echo by, echo how are you. So these are different message we are giving, and all these we want to display in one line, not in line by line. So which line we are merging, that line we can give -n. So this echo statement will merge with this. Now this also we want to merge with third one, then again echo -n. Echo how are you. Hi, bye, how are you. Now hi, bye, how, in one word it is coming, we want some space, so we can give this double quote. Hi, one space here, one space, then echo by. Here also we can give one space. Hi, bye, how are you. So in this way echo can be written.
Akash, why we are writing that -n?
-n is the parameter here. Using this -n parameter, it will merge current echo statement with next echo statement. It will merge and display in single line. Instead of line by line, it will display in single line. That is the use of -n. Each and every command is having multiple arguments or parameters or options. So without having any parameter, one meaning. With having some parameters, different meaning. Like yesterday also we discussed few one command, suppose uname. So uname minus f, system details it is displaying, minus v, version details it is displaying, then minus r, kernel release details it is displaying. So all commands are having multiple parameters or arguments or options. Okay, so all options will not give the same meaning, same output. Without any argument, one output it will give. Now some additional argument we are giving, then some other output it will come. So in echo also one parameter is available, -n. The use of -n is it will merge or combine with next echo statement if it is written, and it will display in a single line. That is the use of -n. Okay, any other doubt? Okay, now echo UNIX OS -e. Here some other kind of parameters we can use, /b, /b, /b. Okay, so if we are using this /b, then it will ignore the spaces. So here some space is there, backspace. So it will ignore those space, and backspace it will use, means ignore or delete that space. Backspace will take. So one space is there, that is ignored here. Here also we have given, it is ignoring this space. Here ignore this space. Here ignore this space. So along with -e we have to give. These are some features added in this echo statement. Now echo, here instead of b we can give t. 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 V. One tab it will come. Tab containing with some spaces, 6 or 8 or 10 spaces. So those spaces it is giving here. One tab, one tab, one tab. Okay, after that one tab, if it is taking, then it is going to next line. So here OS is coming. Sorry, this is V given T. Another tab, OS will come. Okay, so T for tab, B for backspace. Next is V. V means vertically it will display. So one word is completed, V. After that, from next character, next position, it will display next word. Now this is completed. So next character, it will start learning. Next character, it will start UNIX. Next character, it will display OS. So all words it will display in next, different lines along with vertically it will come. After complete, it will start. After complete, it will start in next line. So all those together, it will looks like vertical. V for vertical. Okay, so these are not using most of the cases. If somewhere you want to use, then you can use that. Okay, another is N for next line. N without vertical, only next line we want. V means vertically it is going to next line. N without vertical, line by line. C. Okay, so C if you are giving, then before that this C, what is present, that only it will display. We are. After that it will not display. Before that whatever present, that only it will display. R if you are giving, then after that whatever it is present, that it will display. Learning UNIX well. Learning UNIX well. So these are few features added in this echo statement or echo command. Okay, so till now clear. Echo is very important. Lot of features are added. Only people know what is echo, how it will display. Echo ABCD it will display. That's all. Lot of things are there in echo. Okay, so all are clear. Manideep, Punita, Rahul.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Are you
Yes, sir.
Yes,
thank
yes.
you. Okay.
Yes.
Now another thing we can take. We can define some variable, and then we can means get the value of that variable also using echo command. So how to do that? A equal to 10. So A is a variable, 10 is a value. We are storing 10 value in variable. So this type of thing in school or college you already know that, the arithmetic, mathematics, all those things, or any physics, chemistry. Now we are using that in Unix. A is a variable that will contain the value 10. Enter. Now how to display the value of A? Display means echo will come. Echo $A 10. Okay. Now if you are giving, suppose x equal to A. So A is a variable which is storing the value 10. X is another variable which is storing the value of another variable A. Now if you will give echo $x, then what it will display? Can you tell? A or 10?
10.
Okay. A it will display, because x is one variable which is storing the value of A. Means the value of x is A. So echo $x, A it will come. Now Another way you can do. Y is one variable, $A. So it will store the value of A. $A means it is extracting the value of A. Now if you will give equal $Y, then it will display 10. So this is some tricky things you can get in some interview also. You can get any online test you are giving, any quiz competition for certification exam, you will get this tricky type of thing using echo only. Okay, so A equal to 10, echo $A. A equal to 10. Now X equal to A. Just you are declaring one value for X, equal $X. Simply A only to display. It can be numeric value, it can be text value, it can be anything. It is not fixed that always numeric value can be declared. Any date value also can be declared. Now Y equal to $A. So $A, what is the meaning of that? Dollar means it is extracting the value of that variable. So $A we are giving. So what is the value of A? It will search. Anywhere present? Yes, here present. So it will take 10. Now Y equal to 10. If Y equal to 10, then echo of $will be also 10. Okay, now another thing I am asking, you can try. Okay, before that, A equal to 10. Now again we can give A equal to 30. Echo $A. So what it will display? This is a means common thing only, not related to Unix or anything. This is a GK type of. What it will display? 30. It will replace the latest value. It will not go with the previous value. So whenever any replacement is coming, we cannot go back. That facility is not available in Unix. If we are removing something, we cannot revert it back. If we are replacing something, we cannot revert it back. So whenever we are replacing, that can be variable, any content of a file, or we are deleting any value of variable or content of a file, be careful. Replace and delete cannot be revert back in this Unix operating system. So double check you can do before that. If you are working in any office, for practice, fine. For your office purpose, many things will be disturbed. So be careful on that. Okay, now A equal to 30. Echo $A. A equal to 30 it is displaying. Now what we can do, same thing only, double quote I am giving. Can you try and tell what it will display?
Both the values it will get.
Another is $A, single quote. So single quote, what it will display, double quote, what it will display. A value is 30. Just think and tell. Another echo
First,
$.
it will print the values, and next one it will be $A.
30.
30
First one
$A.
30. First one 30, second one $A, third one 30.
Okay. So Punita, what you are telling? First one?
First one $A, second one also $A.
Double quote and single quote already we discussed now before some time. Double quote, if you are giving dollar or any symbol is there, then it will not work.
Yes.
It will not take. Single quote if you are giving, then it will work for that. Means it will not consider any specific value or special meaning of that. It will ignore. So exactly 100% it will display whatever it is present within single quote. 100%. No plus, no minus. Double quote if you are giving, then it will display, but wherever dollar or any symbol is coming, it will conflict. That special meaning it will not it will give that. It will not ignore the special meaning. So here dollar is coming, some special meaning is there for $A, the value of A. Here value of A. So value of A in single quote, value of A in double quote. Now can you tell what it will display? And another is without any code.
First
All
one will be A,
Like
second one dollar A, third one 30.
Okay. So Manideep told one answer. Others you can try. Now Punita, can you try again? Sai, can you try again? Science. You can
So I
clear
think,
with all the
uh,
fundamentals.
yeah, dollar A will be 0 and
Dollar A, how it will be 0?
because
A value is 30. What is dollar A?
Mm,
Okay, Akshay,
I
Akshay,
think
Praveen.
first will be A, second will be 30, and third will be also 30.
You are maybe not concentrating or something problem. Okay.
Dollar, yes,
So
yes.
Manideep told correct. Can you explain Manideep why it is coming? What you understood? Can you tell? These are very fundamental things. If in detail you are clear with the fundamental, everything is easy. Complex, difficulty, impossible, those words are not available anywhere. If you are very much concept clear, everything is easy, everything you can do. So Manideep, can you explain this?
Yeah, this within single quotes, it will display whatever we give. If we don't mention any quotes, it will take the value which is there in A. And coming to double quotes, actually it should display, I think, A, sir.
No, how it will display. So here, first of all, single quote. So it
Yeah,
is
it
very
will
clear
display
that
what.
within single quote, whatever it is there, that it will display. No need of
Yes,
any quote. Dollar account. Now, dollar value of A, it is coming.
yes,
Value of
it
A.
will take
That
the A
already we
value.
did there. So 30.
Yes,
Now here you are confused. So dollar A. So within double quote, if dollar is there, then dollar is having some special meaning here. That special meaning only it will display. What is dollar A? Dollar A is 30. That only it will display. It will not ignore the special meaning. If it is ignoring dollar A meaning, then it can go with some other thing, A or some other. Dollar A, so value of A. So dollar is having special meaning here. Only ABCD, that is not special meaning. Dollar is there, then special meaning is coming. So here dollar is there, special meaning. With double quote, it will not ignore the special meaning. With single quote, it will ignore the special meaning. Since it is ignoring, dollar it is coming. Since it is not ignoring, actual value is coming.
okay.
Okay, now again, if you will extend here, echo, what it will display now? Last one.
Only A.
Okay, others,
yes, only A.
this one, last one.
Yeah, even that one will be A.
Okay, this one.
Again A, sir.
Okay,
Again, A.
yes. Okay, so how to declare the variable and how we will extract those values with special meaning, without special meaning, with code, without code, with single quote, without double quote, with double quote, everything. Now clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in first or second class we discussed different cells are there. Bus cell, corn cell, bond cell, then TCSS. How to check all those? Those are present in which one path. You can see that also. Cat is one command to display the contents of a file. Again, we'll discuss cat command. So for the timing, just we can see that etc is one directory. A directory structure we discussed in second class. etc is directly present under root directory. And this etc directory contains all the configuration related files. Now under that etc one file is there, shells. So this shells file contains the cell names which are supporting to our Unix operating system. Bin sh, bin bash. The first cell which is developed for Unix operating system is sh, born cell, that is. Nowadays the latest one is bash cell, born again cell. After this sh, C cell came, they develop. So C and only sh combined together, bash shell they define. Nowadays bash shell only, everywhere they are working. And in middle, some years back, no login is one cell, TCSS, these are also different cells. Another is KSS, con cell. Like that, different cells are there. So any operating system you can use, 4, 5, 6, 7 cells will be present. One cell is not working, another cell we can use. Another cell is not working, another cell we can use. Because 90-95% are commands only and internal commands. So maybe some problem can create thousands of commands we are using. So many people are connecting to that server. By chance, sometimes some problem can happen. So one cell only present and we are not able to work. Everybody will stop their work. It will be very bad situation. That's why so many backup cells are given. Okay. Now if we declare this with echo $0 if we give, then in which cell we are present it will display $0. And if you are giving $SHELL, then it will display our default cell is present in which path. We are currently present in bash cell, but that is present in which path? Under bin it is present. That path it is displayed. So these two you can remember now. $0 and $SHELL capital. This is also variable. Okay, so again some advanced level of variables are there. This is a normal variable, a equal to 10 and all those. Some advanced related variables are there, system variable, environment variable, then okay, so all those variables we'll discuss later. Now just you can remember $0, it will display the default cell. I logged into this operating system, I have not changed my cell. So by default I am present in which cell? Bash cell, because bash cell is configured as default in our operating system. Now that default cell or where I connected, that cell is present in which location, which path? Echo $SHELL. In this path it is present. This is also having code. Anything is a file. Anything is a program here in Unix. Command is a program. File is a means program is a file. File is a file. Directory is a file. Anything is a file. Whatever you are writing, anything is a file. Unix is purely file system oriented. No A, B, C, D, E, F drive. Okay, flat file starting from root. Okay, now what we can do, whatever we define here, we are present in bash cell. So whatever we are declaring a equal to 30 or 50, that is defined in this cell, our default cell. Now we can change one cell. How to change? Just give the name, cell name. So we can change sh. Enter. Now you can see this prompt is changed. Now we are available in which cell? Born cell, is sh cell. So how to confirm? Echo $0. Again we can give. Okay, so echo $0, what it will display? Can you tell now? Echo $0, what it will display, and echo $cell, what it will display. We change to one cell.
So it will display the present shell and it will display the path. And the
okay, so the path and cell name you can tell. Here BASH was our default cell. Default cell means whenever we are connecting to the operating system, by default it will connect to one cell. We are not changing anything. Now it changed. So what it will display? $0. $SHELL means the path of the cell where we are present. So here what it will display? This and this. Now we are in
As usual, sh. So it will display sh and path will be sh, bin sh.
okay. So sh we change to this cell. bus to sh. So currently we are available in this cell sh. So it is displaying sh. Now come to echo cell. Okay, so previously it was displaying bin bus, now also bin bus. So what it is displaying echo cell? Our default cell path only. It is not displaying where we are currently present. It is displaying the default path of the cell, which is connecting by default. That only. If you change to any other cell also, bus cell only it is coming. Okay, so both are different. Now echo $a. What is the $a value? A value is 50. So in the same cell, if you will give echo $a, it will display a equal to 50. Now we are coming to different cell. Now echo $a. Nothing is coming. Because in this born cell, we have not defined what is a, what is variable of a. So this variable declaration can be done in two ways. One is local, another is global. Local means this one. So it will local to that cell where we are present and declaring. Another is global. Global means anywhere we can declare, anywhere we can see that. That is called as global. Okay, now we can come back again. How to come back from one cell to other cell? Exit. Now that is exited. Now again we come back to past shell. How to check? Echo $0 past shell. Now we can give here echo a 50. Now another variable we can declare b equal to 35. So as a global variable we can declare export, we have to use export b equal to 35. Now this is global. So any cell we can jump, it will display value of b is 35. You can write the program in any cell, you can execute the program in any cell. That is called as global. Echo $b 35. Now we can change to our cell. Echo $0 sh. Now we are available in sh cell, means born cell. Now we can display echo $b 35. Similarly, here also if you will define some variable value, again we will go back to C cell or corn cell or bus cell, it will display that value everywhere, because export means global. Export fusing, if you are declaring, that will work as a global variable, otherwise local variable. Okay, so this is about echo. Okay, another thing we can do here, primary prompt and secondary prompt. So many people are telling it as a dollar prompt. Don't tell that dollar prompt, primary prompt you can tell. And secondary prompt means echo, after that one greater than symbol was coming, that is secondary prompt. Now we can change that also. Primary prompt is denoted by PS1 and secondary prompt is denoted by PS2. So PS1 equal to, suppose we can give one name Manidi. Similarly, PS2 is secondary prompt. We can change. This is also variable. One variable it is stored, that primary prompt value. Similarly, secondary prompt value also stored in one variable. So that variable is PS1 for primary prompt and for secondary prompt PS2. So for PS2 greater than symbol was coming. Now we can give some other symbol. Suppose Punita we can give. Any name we can give. Changed. Now you can see command prompt is Manidip. Enter, enter, enter. Manidip only it is coming. Anything we can write. ls command. It will display the output. But Manidip is the command prompt. To get it confused with different name only, this path and connection details with the dollar symbol it is given and making identical in all the operating system and version. That is not fixed. We can change that also, like here. So now Manidip is displaying. Then can you tell this as a Manidip prompt? Manidip prompt? No. That's why don't tell dollar prompt. Dollar, just they have given one symbol. Many are telling dollar prompt. We can change anything, tiger, lion, anything we can change. Now again we can change back. PS1 equal to within single quote. Previously whatever it was there, same thing we can keep. Enter. Now get back. Anything we can give now. PW. Display. After that again command prompt can. Similarly, PS2 also we changed to one name Punita. Now echo, we can write something. Enter, Punita is coming. Previously it was coming greater than symbol. That was secondary prompt. Whenever we are connecting for first time, command prompt will come. That is primary prompt. Then second time means we are writing something and that is incomplete, or prompt will indicate that is secondary prompt. Means it will be indicating that operating system is expecting some input from the users. Now Punita, this is a secondary prompt. We can write something. Again Punita, write something. So some confusions are coming. That's why some symbols are given, and every operating system and version same symbol will be followed. Then that will be easy one to understand. But that is also not fixed. That greater than. Many people are saying that greater than symbol, and they are telling that greater than is always secondary prompt. Somebody posted that also in online Google. They are referring that and telling that greater than is always secondary prompt. Dollar is always primary prompt. Not always. To make it identical and avoid the confusion from everybody, all the operating systems, they are referring some rules. But we can change that also. We are changing here. Okay. Now again we can change PS2 equal to, previously greater than symbol was there, we can make it greater than. Now greater than is coming. Okay, so this is about all related to echo with different kinds of variable, echo with different kinds of quoting mechanism, simply echo, and echo with different options, parameters, arguments with features. All are echo related.